Hey, I'm living in Victoria now, and I want to show you the Airbnb that I'm living in, as well as the neighborhood. It's Tom from Take Time to Travel. Let's have a look at the building and my beautiful apartment. The lobby is modern and minimal in this 16-story building. You enter the apartment into a modern, open-concept layout. The kitchen has Korean countertops. The peninsula has an overhang and 4 stools there for eating at. Appliances are all stainless steel. The fridge itself has a bottom mount freezer and top mount fridge, and then over to the microwave, and down right below it has the 4-burner stove, which is a smooth top stove and has digital readout on it, and right below that is a full-sized oven, and we also have a coffee maker. There's a toaster, and above there's a rack for dishes. And we have a double stainless steel sink over here. Down below we have a dishwasher, which is always nice to have a dishwasher. Great place to hide dirty dishes. Over here we got a washer and dryer in the unit, which is great to have. And then on into the bathroom. It also has Korean countertops and well lit with a fan, and a very nice shower over here with a great pulsating shower head. Then on into the living room here, we have a nice sectional couch. It makes into a queen size bed, and right across from it we have about a 47-inch TV. And then, as you can see over here, the balcony. So the balcony overlooks one of the main streets in Victoria. It's got quite a nice view, not too far from the harbour. We've got 2 seating areas out here. One seating area is a pair of chairs and a table, and then bar height set of stools and table. Back inside, we'll go into the bedroom here. Inside is a nice queen size bed. Headboard's the same as the Airbnb that I had in Montreal. And again, nice size window here. Now this bed is kind of nice because down below it, you can pull out 2 drawers on each side and lots of storage area underneath the bed. And then over here we have a double-sized closet. Lots of hanging area and shelves built in here. Nice closet organizer. I rented this place on Airbnb for 6 months to get me through the winter. It comes fully furnished and outfitted with everything as you just saw. It also includes cable TV, Wi-Fi, and all utilities are included too. So, how much does a place like this cost in downtown Victoria? I'm sure you're wondering. It's costing me about $1,950 a month. I'm loving this place so far. It's plenty big enough for me and has a nice large balcony. Also, it's close enough to all the shops and restaurants, liquor stores, and grocery stores. And it's a short walk to all the touristy type stuff too. Check it out. Down at Victoria's Inner Harbour, lots of sailboats and whale watching boats. Also, there's ferries that run out of the harbour here. British Columbia's Parliament building, spectacular building. Huge stone building, absolutely amazing architecture. It just seems to go on and on. Just a beautiful fountain here in front of the building. And back over at the harbour, it's absolutely beautiful. Seaplanes run out of this harbour, one of the busiest seaplane airports in North America. Then back over to the Fairmont Empress Hotel, which is another landmark in this city. Beautiful tropical plants here growing. And we have the BC Museum, the Emily Carr exhibit. Along Government Street here, there's fabulous architecture. We've got Irish Times Pub in this beautiful old stone building here. And there's Bard and Bankers, another local pub. Monroe Books is inside a fabulous old bank building here. And then there's the Carnegie building. Just some amazing examples of architecture. And the Bay Center. Great shopping down there. What I've seen of Victoria so far is quite beautiful. In future videos, I'll be checking out some more of the local attractions. So please like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. And remember, take time to travel. Catch you on the next one.